AI shocked the world. Google Q, IronBot, Quantum AI chip FLUX Orion. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking world of AI and the innovations that are set to change everything. We're talking next-level stuff here. The kind of tech that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction. But it's here, it's real, and it's evolving faster than ever. We've got Google Q pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, IronBot changing the game in robotics, and the Quantum AI chip, promising to supercharge AI processing power. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll also be exploring FLUX and Orion, two more players in the AI field that are making serious waves. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the future of AI and explore the tech that's going to reshape our world. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Google Q, the AI brain teaser. First up, we're talking Google Q, a groundbreaking initiative from one of the most innovative companies in the world. Now, this isn't just another Google project. This is Google going all in on AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking advanced algorithms, deep learning, the works. These are the building blocks of a new era in artificial intelligence. But what makes Google Q stand out is its ability to learn and adapt in ways we haven't seen before. It's not just about processing data, it's about evolving with it. Think about it. We're used to AI that can recognize images or translate languages, but Google Q is designed to understand context, nuance, even emotions. It's like having a conversation with someone who truly gets you. It's like the difference between a calculator and a human brain. One can crunch numbers, the other can understand what those numbers mean and how they relate to the world. One can crunch numbers, the other can understand what those numbers mean. This distinction is crucial in making AI more human-like and intuitive. And the real-world applications, they're mind-blowing. Imagine a world where AI isn't just a tool but a partner in your daily life. Imagine a world where Google Q could power your virtual assistant, making it more intuitive and helpful than ever before. It could anticipate your needs and provide solutions before you even ask. Need help planning a trip? Google Q could not only book your flights and hotels but also suggest hidden gems and local experiences based on your interests. It's like having a personal travel guide who knows you inside out. But it goes beyond personal assistance. The potential applications of Google Q are vast and varied. Google Q has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, finance, education, you name it. Every sector stands to benefit from this advanced AI. Imagine doctors using Google Q to diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, or teachers leveraging its power to personalize education for every student. The possibilities are endless. This is AI that doesn't just process information, it understands it, and that's a game changer. It's a leap towards a future where AI and humans work together seamlessly, enhancing our capabilities and enriching our lives. IronBot, the future of robotics. Imagine a world where robots are not just tools but integral parts of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our routines and enhancing our capabilities. Next up, let's talk robots, but not just any robots. We're diving into the world of IronBot, a marvel of modern engineering and artificial intelligence. Not just any robots, though. We're talking about IronBot, a robot that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI integration. This isn't your average machine, it's a leap into the future. Forget about clunky, pre-programmed machines. IronBot is all about fluidity, adaptability, and intelligence. It moves with a grace that seems almost lifelike, adapting to its surroundings with ease. We're talking about a robot that can learn from its environment, adjust to new situations, and even interact with humans in a natural, almost human-like way. It's designed to understand and respond to human emotions and commands. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's here. Imagine having a robot that can handle your daily chores, making your life easier and more efficient. Imagine a robot that can help you with everyday tasks, from cooking and cleaning to assisting with complex projects. It's like having a personal assistant that never tires and is always ready to help. IronBot isn't just a helper, it's a collaborator, a partner that can learn your preferences and anticipate your needs. It can work alongside you, making your tasks easier and more enjoyable. And the applications go far beyond household chores. IronBot can be integrated into various environments, from homes to offices and even industrial settings. IronBot could be a game changer in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Its versatility and intelligence make it suitable for a wide range of applications. Imagine robots working alongside humans in hazardous environments, performing delicate surgeries with precision, or exploring the unknown depths of space. The possibilities are endless. This is the future of robotics, where AI and advanced engineering combine to create machines that are not just tools but true partners in progress. The future is now, and it's more exciting than ever. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about the brains behind all this AI awesomeness. The engineers and scientists who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. We've seen the potential of Google Q and IronBot, two of the most advanced AI systems in the world today. But what if we could make them even faster, even smarter? Imagine AI that can think and learn at speeds we can barely comprehend. That's where the quantum AI chip comes in. This revolutionary piece of technology is set to change the game entirely. This isn't just a faster processor, it's a whole new way of thinking about computing. It's about reimagining the very foundations of how we process information. Traditional chips use bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. This binary system has served us well, but it's reaching its limits. But the quantum AI chip uses qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is a fundamental shift in how we think about data and computation. Yeah, you heard that right, both at the same time. This concept, known as superposition, is one of the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics. It's called superposition, and it's one of the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics. It allows for a level of parallelism that traditional computing can't even touch. What it means for AI is simple exponential speed. We're talking about processing power that can handle complex calculations in the blink of an eye. We're talking about AI that can process information millions of times faster than anything we have today. Imagine the possibilities. From real-time data analysis to instant decision-making, the future is here. Drug discovery could happen in a fraction of the time, leading to faster development of life-saving medications. Complex simulations could be run in real time, allowing for more accurate and efficient modeling of everything from weather patterns to financial markets. And the development of new AI algorithms could skyrocket, leading to breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet. The quantum AI chip is like giving AI a superbrain boost, enhancing its capabilities beyond our wildest dreams. And the implications are staggering. We're on the brink of a new era in technology and innovation. We're talking about unlocking new frontiers in AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The future of AI is bright, and with the quantum AI chip, it's about to get a whole lot brighter. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking advancements. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about data. We live in a world overflowing with data, and making sense of it all is a massive challenge. That's where FLUX comes in. FLUX is all about AI-driven data analysis, but it's not just about crunching numbers. It's about finding the stories hidden within the data. Imagine a world where AI could analyze massive data sets from all sorts of sources, identify patterns, and extract meaningful insights that would otherwise remain hidden. That's the power of FLUX. We're talking about a tool that can help businesses make smarter decisions, researchers uncover groundbreaking discoveries, and governments develop more effective policies. FLUX can analyze financial markets, predict consumer behavior, optimize supply chains, and even help us understand complex social trends. It's like having an AI detective that can sift through mountains of data and find the clues that matter. And the best part? FLUX is designed to be accessible, so you don't need to be a data scientist to unlock its power. Chapter 5. Finally, let's talk about Orion, an AI platform that's all about prediction. Orion takes the guesswork out of decision-making by using advanced algorithms to predict future outcomes with incredible accuracy. Imagine a world where businesses could anticipate market trends, doctors could predict patient outcomes with greater certainty, and governments could make more informed decisions about resource allocation. That's the power of Orion. We're talking about an AI that can analyze historical data, identify patterns, and make predictions about the future with a level of accuracy that was once unimaginable. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by data and algorithms. Orion can be used to optimize marketing campaigns, predict equipment failures, personalize learning experiences, and even forecast weather patterns with greater precision. The possibilities are endless. With Orion, the future is no longer a mystery. It's a data point waiting to be analyzed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in AI technology. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Google Q's mind-blowing algorithms to Orion's predictive prowess. It's clear that AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that's rapidly shaping our world. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will challenge our assumptions and redefine what's possible. So stay tuned, because the future of AI is looking brighter than ever.